Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you or teach you on how to create broadcast channel on Instagram. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to open the Instagram app. So launch the Instagram app on your mobile device. Ensure that you are logged into the account you want to use for the broadcast channel. After that, go to your profile. So tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your Instagram profile. Now access the settings. So on your profile, look for the three horizontal lines or dots depending on your device located at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it to access the settings menu. Now navigate to Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Settings option. Tap on it to proceed. Now select Account. Within the settings, you will see several options. Locate and tap on Account to access your account settings. Now switch to a professional account. Within the account settings, you will find an option called Switch to Professional Account. Tap on it to begin the process of converting your account to a professional one. Choose a category. Instagram will prompt you to select a category that best represents your account's content. Choose the category that aligns with the type of content you plan to broadcast. Now select a subcategory. After choosing a category, Instagram will ask you to select a more specific subcategory related to your content. Pick the subcategory that best fits your broadcast channel's focus. Now set up your broadcast channel. Once you have chosen the subcategory, you will be prompted to set up your broadcast channel. You can provide additional information about your channel, such as your contact information and a brief description. Now complete the process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup process for your broadcast channel. Instagram may ask for additional information or permissions, so make sure to provide the required details accurately. Now customize your broadcast channel. After creating the channel, you can customize it by adding a profile picture, a bio, and relevant information to attract and engage your audience. Now start broadcasting. Now that your broadcast channel is set up, you can start sharing live broadcasts, stories, and other content with your audience. Use Instagram's live video feature to broadcast in real time and interact with your viewers. So remember to promote your broadcast channel through your existing social media platforms, website, or other channels to attract followers and viewers. So note that the availability of certain features and settings may vary depending on your location and account eligibility. Instagram occasionally updates its features and settings, so it is a good idea to check for any recent changes or updates to ensure you have the most accurate information. And that's it. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notifications so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.